Hello student, welcome to St. Thomas School, class 4, EVS. Last we had discussed that what are the arrangement of drinking water in the school. Now let us go for the group 2's activity. Observe and note. First point is given, what are the toilet arrangements in the school? It is a built up one, more than 20 to 35 toilets are there. Then are there separate toilet for girls and boys? Then our answer is yes, we have a updated modern facilities in separation by boys and girls. And water supply is coming all 24 hours there from the tank. Is there water for washing hands near the toilet? Yes friends, we had washing units over there. Even we can have a sufficient space also, very ultra modern facility we are using. Is there any tap that is leaking or dripping? Then the answer is no. Are the toilets kept clean? Yes friends, toilets are kept clean. We have approximately 350 to 450 girls and 450 to 550 boys in our school. In our shift, we are not calculating other students, those who are coming by other shift like first, second and LKG, UKG and nursery. Approximately 12 to 15 toilets each for boys and girls, and it is used and cleaned properly. If there are no taps, who brings the water for the toilet? Where does the water come from? Dear students, we have a systematic tap, so water is already coming from the tank. Our lady peons are cleaning it regularly, time to time, and frequently they are cleaning. What can each of us do for this? To keep the toilet clean, we have to sanitize it properly by using acid and phenyl of it. Have you seen toilet at bus stand or railway station? They are different from home because it is little bit more and more dirtiness over there. Some bus stands and railway station have a systematic cleaning, so they are in very good and proper condition if it is maintained. Talk with the children of in your class and fill in the table given below. In the last few months, how many children in the class have suffered from any of this? Write the name of these children. If any students have a diarrhea, vomiting, yellow urine, pale skin, eyes and mild fever or stomach ache, then you can write down their name here in the table. It is a homework activity. You can do it in a homework also. Next comes water from the different places. Discuss with your teacher what you have found out from your survey. Make a report based on your survey and advice given by the teacher. Read the report in assembly. That means we have to make a one report that in our St. Thomas School we have sufficient drinking water available via RO plants. We have systematic toilet we are using every day. Ultra modern facilities are there for washing hands, and our lady peons or different cleaners are cleaning it very properly. This is the system established in our school. So dear students, we have to keep it in mind and we have to note down these things in our area of cleanliness. Regarding the cleanliness, if we are looking, then we have to find out these are the points in our survey. This survey is based on that. And next point, we have the elders' vision of Raj Samadhyala village of Rajkot, where the problems of wasting of water was raised. We are discussing more in our next point regarding this point. So all the students keep reading till that. Thank you.